Welcome to our magical counting adventure. Let's count from 1 to 10 with our happy animal friends. Are you ready? 1. Here is one happy lion with a big orange mane. 1 lion. 2 bouncy rabbits hopping in the meadow. 1, 2, 3 cheerful elephants spraying water. 1, 2, 3 4 playful monkeys swinging on the vines. 1, 2, 3 4 5 tall giraffes. 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 friendly pandas munching on bamboo. 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 happy tiger cubs playing. 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 little squirrels. 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 cute koalas. 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 smiling penguins. 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Great job! You counted all the way to 10. See you next time for more animal fun.